Need to clear cookies and cache on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down and move into apps. Inside apps, search for the web browser Safari and then move into it. In this space, you need to scroll down and you'll see the option where it says Clear History and Datas. You have to click on this option right over here. You can select the time frame. Once selected, click on Clear History at the bottom of the screen. It will not only clear the data, it will also clear the cache and the cookies as well. Or else head over to Advanced. In this space, click on Website Data at the very top of the screen. If you see any of the website data, then you can clear it out by clicking on Clear. Once done, you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can clear cookies and cache on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.